And it may seem strange to discuss the history of water, but it is kind of interesting to think about. New research finds that the Earth's water came from asteroids and the clouds of dust and gas after the sun's formation. The earliest humans and animals all needed water. This was a necessity to survive, but many did not drink it out of risk for becoming ill. And you may say, that seems very strange. But think about it. If you're going to drink from contaminated water, then you might have diarrhea and vomiting, which would make you even more dehydrated. However, you can consume foods that actually have water in them as well. So fruits, vegetables, all of those have been filtered by nature to be safe. And water is a very important public health concern. Clean water means less disease. The main source of water over the years, again, groundwater, mainly springs and wells were used, and water was and is still used for agriculture and livestock. When we're discussing good water, water quality is a term that is talked about. In ancient times, the quality of water that came out of the earth or that came from a well was measured by what did it smell like? What did it look like? What was its taste? And what was the temperature? So tasteless, odorless, and colorless water that came from the ground was considered the best. Ancient Romans and Greeks used tanks, filters, and even boiled water to keep it fresh and clean throughout their society. But poor waste management can lead to really bad problems like contaminated drinking water.